Hello, good day everyone. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pharmacist Goodluck, but you can call me Oyibo Pharmacist. Now, even though milk and other dairy products like cheese and yogurt are considered good food choices, however, they still have significant interaction with certain medications. And because of that, we really discourage the use of these medications with these food substances like milk and dairy products. So in today's presentation, I'm going to be mentioning 4 groups of drugs that you should never take together with milk if you actually want to attain the best effectiveness of these medications. Number 1 is tetracyclines. Yes, tetracyclines are a group of antibiotics that are generally used in management of acne and pneumonia. However, the most common use of the drug tetracyclines among the general public particularly is in management of diarrhea, even though not all diarrhea require the use of tetracycline, but the general public do not generally care. All they know is that when you have diarrhea, you go and get tetracycline and flagyl, and start taking. But that's not even the reason why I'm here. I'm here to tell you that tetracycline should not be taken together with milk if actually you want to achieve the best effectiveness of this tetracycline. Number 2 is fluoroquinolones. Yes, fluoroquinolones are a group of antibiotics that are commonly used in management of upper respiratory tract infection and even lower respiratory tract infection, together with urinary tract infection. Now, these drugs should not be taken together with milk because it is generally going to decrease the effectiveness of these drugs. And when we say fluoroquinolones, we mean certain antibiotics like levofloxacin, ciprofloxacin, and even ofloxacin. Number 3 is thyroid medication. And by thyroid medications, we mean those medications that are used in management of hypothyroidism. By hypothyroidism, we mean a medical condition in which the thyroid gland no longer secretes the adequate amount of thyroid hormone needed for the normal bodily function. It is usually associated with swelling around the throat. So these medications should not be taken together with milk because it's going to definitely decrease the effectiveness of this medication. By thyroid medications, we mean medications like the levothyroxine. Number 4 is bisphosphonates. Bisphosphonates are a group of medications that are generally used in management of osteoporosis and other bone disorders. These drugs should not be taken together with milk. These drugs act by decreasing the rate at which the bones break down and increasing bone densities. Now, example of these drugs include the alendronate. They shouldn't be taken together with milk. Now, having mentioned all of these things, the question now is, why is it not advisable to take these medications together with milk and other dairy products? Now, I'm going to tell you why. Milk and other dairy products like the cheese and the yogurt generally have a good number of nutrients, which is the reason why we are actually consuming them. Nutrients like the calcium, the phosphorus, and the magnesium. Now, it is very, very important to say that the body actually needs these nutrients for their normal body functioning. That is the reason why we are consuming them. But these nutrients are the reason why you should not even take this medication together with milk, particularly the calcium component of this milk. Now, it has been observed that the calcium component of this milk generally interact or combine with this medication to form a complex that is very, very difficult for the body to absorb. What does it mean? It means that a little quantity of the drug that we take will finally make their way into the bloodstream, thereby decreasing effectiveness. So does it mean that if you are on these medications, you can never test milk again? No, that is not what I'm saying. If you must take milk while on this medication, then the advice is to always take these medications at least 2 hours before or 4 hours after consuming milk. This will give time to enable this drug get absorbed from the intestine into the bloodstream before the milk enters, and then the calcium ion now starts interacting with the medication, thereby decreasing the absorption, which finally leads to decreased effectiveness. Now, with this being said, I would like to say thank you very much for your audience, and if today is the first time you are coming across my videos, please click on the subscription button. But if you have already subscribed, which means that you are a returning viewer, I want to say thank you very much for always coming back to see what I have to put forward. Now, at this point, I would like you to click on the like button. Also, share these videos to your loved ones. See you in my next episode.